So, what exactly is space planning? Interior design is all about creating spaces that are not only aesthetically appealing and beautiful, but also comfortable and functional for its users. Simply put, a well considered and designed space allows the best use of a floor area and has a direct influence on mood and well being of its users. So, why is space planning important? It ensures the contents are suitable for the space, it creates natural flow, it influences the user's mood, well being, and experience. And often there isn't enough visual information in an empty space. A space plan helps people visualize. A good place to start is how you want the room to feel. Do you want it to be open and airy versus safe and cozy?